Hi, my name is Caitlin, and I attended North Carolina State University Vet School. I have been counseling pre-vet students for many years, and I have really enjoyed it, and I can't wait to coach more. I've accumulated many resources throughout the years and learned a lot, and I genuinely love it. And my experiences have mostly been in small animals, so dogs and cats, and small exotics. I'm small animal focused and have interests in shelter medicine and neurology as well. I plan to get more involved in veterinary forensics throughout my practice on the side of my small animal general practice. A lot of my veterinary experience was taken up by volunteer work in shelter medicine, so I spent a lot of time doing TNVR programs, so trap, neuter, vaccinate, release programs, which is getting surgery experience spaying and neutering feral cats. I also foster a lot of animals and worked with rescues to get more vet students involved in fostering. And I was a board member of North Carolina State University Vet School's turtle rescue team. And I also was involved in a lot of clubs, including the WASM Club, which is the exotics club, the VBMA Club, which is a business club, feline club, and surgery club. And I got free certified as well. I think it's important for pre-vet students to make it known on their application why they're uniquely qualified compared to all the other applicants that the committee is reviewing as well, just because there's thousands of applications that the committee receives. I know how to highlight what makes my students unique and make sure that I bring it out in their applications to make them stand out from other candidates. I also know what schools look for, and I know what specific interview questions veterinary schools have asked in the past years, so it makes it more helpful and tailored in our vet school interview prep practice. One of my greatest strengths is editing essays and the descriptions that you write that make up the bulk of your VEMCAS application. I love editing, and I have great grammar skills. I scored almost a perfect score in the grammar section of the SAT, and I genuinely enjoy it. And I have also one specific tip/secret advice that I think is really important for you to include in your experiences that a lot of applicants forget to include because it's not technically required by any vet school, but it is really important. I think it's hard to get accepted without it. And I also am a non-traditional student myself. I had a non-traditional pathway to get into vet school, so I have varied experiences that have helped me to approach applications in a holistic way, just like vet schools do. I was in the same shoes at one point with little help, and I didn't know who to turn to or where to go for resources, so I want to be able to help others who are in the same position. And there's no greater feeling for me than when my students get accepted into vet school.